Small apartment living. Cozy and minimalist living room. Welcome to the world of small apartment living, where comfort meets minimalism. When living in a compact space, it's essential to create a living room that feels open, cozy, and inviting without overwhelming it with clutter. The good news is, with a few clever design ideas, your small living room can become your personal sanctuary. Whether you're furnishing a new apartment or refreshing your current space, these minimalist living room ideas will help you create a modern, comfortable environment you'll love to spend time in. Let's dive into the magic of maximizing small spaces. The first step to designing a cozy and minimalist living room is selecting the right furniture. In a small apartment, oversized furniture can easily make a room feel cramped, while the right pieces can make the space feel open and functional. Opt for sleek, low-profile furniture that doesn't overpower the room. Sofas with raised legs and compact coffee tables are great for maintaining a sense of openness. Consider pieces that serve more than one purpose, like a sofa bed or ottomans with storage. The key is to keep the furniture proportional to the room's size, leaving enough breathing room to create a sense of flow. Floating shelves and wall-mounted units also help free up floor space while providing storage or display areas. When it comes to small spaces, color is your best friend. Light colors, particularly whites, creams, and soft grays, have an incredible ability to open up a room and make it feel larger. Neutral palettes not only give the illusion of more space, but they also create a calm and soothing atmosphere, perfect for unwinding at the end of a busy day. Accents in muted tones, such as soft blues or gentle greens, can add personality to the room without being too bold. By sticking to a lighter palette, you allow the room to breathe and avoid the cramped feeling that darker hues can sometimes evoke in smaller spaces. Mirrors can also help reflect light, creating an even more expansive feel. One of the secrets to making a minimalist living room cozy is by layering textures. Minimalist doesn't have to mean stark or cold. Even with a neutral color scheme, adding textures can instantly make the room feel warm and inviting. Think soft throw blankets, plush pillows, and textured rugs. Incorporating different materials such as linen, wool, and cotton adds depth to the space. Don't forget the power of small accents like a textured lampshade or a woven basket for storage. These subtle elements create a cozy, lived-in feel while maintaining a minimalist aesthetic. With the right balance of textures, your minimalist living room will feel both stylish and comfortable, a perfect retreat in a busy apartment. If you're loving these ideas so far and want to see more tips on creating a stylish, cozy home, make sure to hit that subscribe button if you haven't already. Give this video a thumbs up, and don't forget to leave a comment below sharing your favorite small space hack. Your feedback and engagement help keep this channel going, so thank you for being part of this journey. In small apartments, every square inch counts, which is why multifunctional furniture is a game changer. Think of pieces like a coffee table that doubles as a storage unit or a sofa with built-in drawers. These clever designs allow you to maximize your space without sacrificing style. Hidden storage options like storage ottomans or benches are also fantastic for maintaining a clean and uncluttered look. The beauty of hidden storage is that it lets you stow away everyday items like blankets, books, and remote controls while keeping them easily accessible. No matter how small your living room is, multifunctional furniture helps ensure that it remains both functional and visually appealing. Natural light is a small space's best friend. It not only brightens up the room but also makes it feel larger and more open. If you're lucky enough to have large windows, take full advantage of them by keeping window treatments light and airy. Sheer curtains or blinds in soft colors are perfect for letting in light while still providing privacy. Greenery is another wonderful way to bring life and vibrancy into your small living room. Plants, whether large or small, add an organic touch to minimalist spaces, making them feel fresh and inviting. For apartments with limited space, consider vertical planters or small potted plants that can be placed on shelves or windowsills. Not only do plants purify the air, but they also add a pop of color that enhances the room's overall aesthetic. Designing a small apartment living room that is both cozy and minimalist is all about balance. By selecting the right furniture, sticking to light colors, incorporating textures, and adding functional pieces, you can create a space that feels spacious and welcoming. Don't forget the magic of natural light and greenery to bring warmth and life into your home. With these tips, even the smallest living room can become a stylish, modern sanctuary. Thank you for watching. If you haven't already, make sure to subscribe, like, and comment on your favorite tip. Let's continue transforming small spaces into cozy retreats.